How to confirm patient's posture/pitch condition on remedy models 1001, 1100, and 1600. How to confirm pitch. For these steps, the device will need to be in either monitor or therapy mode to unlock the marker window icon. Additionally, a wand must be positioned on the patient's device throughout the confirmation process. To verify whether the patient's posture meets the criteria, follow these steps. First, access the marker window screen by clicking on the marker detail icon found on the log toolbar, accessible via the magnifying glass icon. Second, activate marker mode by selecting the marker window icon displayed by the EKG symbol on the log toolbar. The reference button on the left hand provides a legend for the color-coded device marker display. An orange line represents posture condition satisfied. Ask the patient to lie down in their sleeping position and ensure the orange line is visible. As the patient sits up beyond the pitch threshold, the orange line will disappear, indicating a pitch violation. Keep in mind there is a 6-second delay in registering the patient's posture. These are the steps for confirming the patient's posture/pitch.